don't worry, we're going to review this, but using parameters is how we send values into a function. So if my function needs something in order to do its thing, that's called a parameter. An example of a parameter is what we put inside the parentheses when we type print. So we have a print, that's the function. Inside the parentheses, we might give it a string or a number or whatever we want it to print out. That's the parameter. And what we give it is the argument. Remember, it's the car parking in the parking spot. So here's another way we can modify that function that did a welcome screen. And now, instead of having a string here that's static, I'm giving it a string as a parameter. And then that parameter takes the argument and puts it here. So when I call that, it's required now. It's required that I give it this. So then it uses that message instead. So if I take this, let's just make the modification here. So instead of this, I'm going to put a string that's the parameter. So I'm going to say string message, and I'm going to use that string right there. So now if I run this as it is, it requires a argument to go into that parameter, and I'm not giving it one here. It will actually generate an error because if it needs a parameter, or if it needs an argument, then I have to give it one. So the nice thing about this is that now I can run this and put different things in there. So every time I run that now, it'll take whatever I put in as the argument and insert it into that code. That becomes, so whatever I put in that parameter becomes the value of this for the life of this code. Then it goes away. Then the next time I run it, it takes whatever I put in there, does the same thing, then it goes away. It's a variable. So a parameter is a variable that lives only inside the function and only while the function is running. I cannot access strMessage. If I wanted to print that out by itself, I cannot access that outside the function. See, this is outside of the function. It's not indented. It's outside. So that lives inside here, and then as soon as it finishes running, it goes away. It doesn't exist here. That's why I'm getting an error when I try that. So it only lives inside the function.